In connection to the ban of the TikTok platform in United States, one thing I realize and remember is this verse found in Matthew chapter 24, verse 35. It says, "Heaven and earth will pass away, but my words will not pass away." Also in First Corinthians chapter 7, verse 31, which says, "Those who use the things of the world should not become attached to them. For this word, as we know, it will soon pass away." Also in First John chapter 2, verse 15 to 17, which says, "Don't set the affections of your heart on this world or in loving the things of the world." The praise is a reminder that people should not become attached to the things of the world because God is the one who ultimately judges all things. So I just want to remind you that if you have that platform right now, enjoy it. If you have that things, if you have that family, everything under the sun, enjoy it. But remember that heaven and earth will pass away. So don't be attached of it. Just use it, but don't be attached of it. It is hard, especially to the people in United States, to those who gain their money, their business through the TikTok platform. But I just want to tell you, uh, it's hard to move on, but you need to remind yourself that do not be attached of everything on this world. Instead, remember that only the word of God will remain eternally. God bless everyone.